Okay, so I love this. This is by Michael Kors and it is a Jet Set Travel in this fab kind of burgundy shade of red in this gorgeous cross-hatching Saffiano leather. The bag is in excellent condition. So the leather is in excellent condition, the interior is in excellent condition, and the hardware is in excellent condition. Let's show you these corners. You can see there is no signs of wear. It really is in fabulous condition. So it has an adjustable strap. I am about 5'4", UK size 8'10", so you can get an idea of the size. It comes with Michael Kors dust bag. We'll show you the Michael Kors on the front. It also has Michael Kors on the zip pull. And it also has it on the fasten there. I don't know if that's going to focus, but it says Michael Kors on there. The strap is fabulous because you get this part leather, part chain strap, which just makes it really stylish. Zip top closure, and inside you can see it has the grey MK logo fabric. It's got one open pouch pocket, and on this side you've got two flat pockets. Okay, but like I say, excellent condition, really stylish, beautiful crossbody bag. In the comments below there is a link that will take you straight to this on our website. If you subscribe to the newsletter on the website, you'll get 10% off. Also down below there's a link to our Instagram if you want to follow and get more regular updates.